Hello grade 2, this is Miss Asma and today at lesson 10.5 and we will learn together how to make bar graphs. So you have to open with me page 678 and here we have a bar graph. In this bar graph, Abel read 2 books and Jayang read 4 books and Kara read 1 book and Jamila read 3 books. So we want to represent these data on our bar graph. As we said before, any bar graph should have a title, a category label, a scale and a label scale. And the scale here in any bar graph should begin at 0 as we see here and end after at number greater than the greatest number in our data. So we are speaking here about how many books with each one, right? So what is the highest number here? So Abel, which is first one, has 2, the second one has 4, the third one has 1, and the last one has 3. So the greatest number here is 4. So our scale should end at number greater than 4. So we can notice here that we started from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and ends at 5. Okay, here he said to me, complete the bar graph to show this data. In the category here, he already drew for us Abel and Jayang, and we have here Kara and Jamila. Kara read 1 book, so we have to shade or color from 0 to reach 1. Okay, so we will draw 1 bar. Here, Jamila read 3 books, so I will draw the reach number 3 and I will end at number 3. Here in the second bar graph, Ella is making a bar graph to show the kinds of pets her classmates have. So we want here to represent how many pets with each one. So he said to me 5 classmates have a dog, 7 classmates have a cat, 2 classmates have a bird, 3 classmates have a fish. So if you want to represent this data on a bar graph, first we have to make a title. What do you think? What's our title here? From reading, I will get our title. Yes, pets. So the title here, it will be our pets. And here we have to write the category and we have to write category label here. So we have dog, cat, bird, fish. Our label here, it will be pet. And at the other side, we want to make our scale. We said it should start from 0 and it must have equally spaced. So from 0 to 1, this space is equal to the space from 1 to 2, and from 2 3, from 3 to 4, from 4 to 5, all of these are equal spaces. So if I asked you, our scale should end at number what? So you have to look at our data. What is the greatest number here? Yes, it's 7. So our scale should end at number greater than the greatest number in our data, which is, yes, what's after 7? It will be 8. Look, The last number here is already 8. And the label scale here, what we are representing about these numbers? Yes, the number of classmates. So let's start to draw our bar graph. For dog here, these are 5 classmates have a dog. He already drew the reach 5 for me. The second one, 7 classmates have a cat. So I have to draw the reach number. Yes, 7 here. 2 classmates have a bird. So I will go to the column of bird and I have to draw the reach number 2 here. 3 classmates have fish. Go to column of fish and draw the reach 3. So, number 1, write labels and draw bars to complete the graph. We already wrote the labels here and draw together the bar. Number 2, how will the graph change if one more child gets a bird? We already said how many children have a bird? Yes, 2. What about if one more child gets a bird? Yes. The column of a bird will be more taller. It will end at 3. Now we will move together to page 679. Dexter asked his classmates which pizza topping is their favorite. 4 classmates choose peppers, 7 classmates choose meat, 5 classmates choose mushrooms, 2 classmates choose olives. So, from this reading, what do you expect our title of our bar graph? Yeah, we are speaking of favorite pizza topping. So you have to write here favorite pizza topping. And here he already wrote the category for me, and we have to write the category label. Yes, these are the types of topping. And here we have the scale. Here it will be, yes, number of classmates. So, now we want to draw the bars. 4 classmates choose peppers, so I will go to the row of peppers and yes, start from 0 here, from left, and move to the reach number 4, okay? It will be the first bar from 0 to 4. Number 2, meat. 7 classmates choose meat, so I'll move from 0 to reach 7. 5 classmates choose mushrooms. I will move at the row of mushroom from 0 to 5. Olives, 2, from 0 to 2. Now we wrote the title and the scale label and the category label. Number 5, which topping did the most classmates choose? From our drawing bars or from these data, we can decide which topping did the most classmates choose. What do you think here? Yes, we have 7 classmates choose meat. This is the greatest number here, right? So this topping is the greatest one. So it will be meat. I will write here meat. Number 6, did more classmates choose peppers and olives than meat? So I have to think how many classmates choose peppers and olives together. Yes, I have to add them together at first. Peppers and olives here, 4 plus 2, they are 6. So 6 is more than the classmates which choose meat. No, 6 is smaller than 7, right? So it will be no, because 6 is smaller than 7. Now at page 680, we have here another bar graph. Cody asked his classmates which zoo animal is their favorite. 6 classmates choose bear, 4 classmates choose lion, 7 classmates choose tiger, 3 classmates choose zebra. So we have to put the title and the label scale and the label category and draw the bars. So use the data to complete the bar graph. Write a title and labels, draw bars. We will start from bear. So what's our title here? What do you think? What's our title here? Yes, it's favorite zoo animal. And our label scale, it will be number of classmates. And these are, what are we representing here? These are, yes, animals. So at number 1, 6 classmates choose bear. So I will go to the column of bear and start from 0 to reach 6. So you have to draw this column to reach number 6. The line, 4 classmates choose the line. So I will draw to reach 4. At the tiger, there are 7 classmates choose tiger. So I will draw from here to reach 7. The last one, which is zebra, 3 classmates choose zebra. So I will start here from 0 to reach what? Yes, to reach 3. And as we notice here, our scale starts from 0 and it has equally spaces, and it ends where? Yes, at a number greater than the greatest number here. Yes, the greatest number here is 7, so it ends at least at 8. Number 8, how many fewer classmates choose line than classmates that choose the other zoo animals? So we have to add all the number of all the classmates who choose the animals zoo except line together. So it will be 6 plus 7 plus 3, right? 6 plus 7, 13 plus 3, 16. So I have to know how many children or classmates choose line. Yes, there were 4. So 4 is fewer than 16 by what? We said before, to get how many fewer or how many more, we have to make subtraction. So I have to write 16 minus 4 to get the answer. The answer is supposed to be 12. Thank you for watching Grade 2. Goodbye.